I'm ready to just buy it and that's it. I'm happy. To do some piece that I didn't have at my other place that I have here. And those are my favorite things. It reminds me of my grandmother. Coming back, I haven't been live in a while. Might do my hair for a bit. Hi Jonathan, this is my new place. I will show you guys in a bit. It's making tea. Maybe more tea. The tea has a makes a weird color on them. Maybe it has lead on it. There's too much of Paris this, Paris that here, which is okay. Wait, so this is my apartment. Cute, right? And then you see, and then this is it. The smallest bathroom. I could not deal with a bathroom like this. I think I will buy a cabinet, but that's what I have right now. I think I'm gonna put you guys here. Funny how you guys stick to the wall, because it's how do I say this? I have to put, wait, hold on. I don't know if I'm gonna do my, no, I have a shoot tomorrow. I should be a bit more, thank you. Oh, so this here. I still have that time pimple. I cannot pop it because honestly it's gonna get worse. Is my aunt here? Yeah, she is. Hi. I didn't even give you a tour of my place. Guys, I have to do a tour for her. Okay, bathroom. It's not a girl's bathroom because you can't put anything in there. That's why it's a bit messy. This fan, I just don't understand it. What does it do? No idea. Maybe Steve knows, but this I have no idea. Like there's one in every room. And then this is funny how they have like, okay, if I sit down here, like that's my view. Love the fridge, pretty small and cute. And then because I have a voyeur host, this is like my outside. I have to keep it like that. But the thing is, you can also, wait, open this. Interesting, right? j'ai laveuse sécheuse, which is really hard to find in Europe, and I have AC. At least I have AC, and I paid a little bit extra to stay here because I was like, you know what? Just put a bit of money and just try to be comfortable because I haven't been comfortable for a month. I was like, you know what? Like I spent like this, I cannot say the amount, but I spent a decent amount on the other place. Yeah, it is. Honestly, I cannot go back. But the thing is, right now, it's been like it rained today. That's like my first bad day. I saw Yasin yesterday when he helped me move. So that I did my first night yesterday. Oh, I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I bought. And you might think, oh my god, you bought so many shit. You know what? It's not about that. It's about I bought more cosmetic stuff than... I didn't even buy clothes, to be honest. I think I bought 2 pair of shoes. They gave me blister. This, life-changing. Not life-changing. I hate when people say that it's life-changing. It's like, it can be life-changing. Is that time-consuming? I've saved so much time using a Dyson. That's why I got the European Dyson. One thing I regret not doing is getting the detox on it. Apparently, you have to do it within 24 hours. I did not know that. That's not fair. Okay, so this gets my body super shimmery and like... I put it on my stomach. I try to do those body massage every day. You know, especially my stomach and my abs has been popping. It's better to do it with the Brazilian... What was it? Brazilian body sculpting tools. You remember? Like, I cannot do more than this. Okay, hold on. Let me just put the things down. Okay, so it's not... You have to do this. You see where you have a line here? Supposedly. I can't see it right now. You just like shape your stomach with your hands. Just love having them high-waisted like that, okay? Doing my hair. Don't have all the tools. Tomorrow I have a shoot, guys. 2 days in a row, so it's tomorrow and the next day. So I have 2 shoots. One is a test shoot and oopsie. Well, I don't know if those are my Canadian ones. I hope not. I don't want to ruin it. Okay. I hope they are. Let's see. Oh no, wait, what am I using? My hair's frizzy right now. And you know, it's not... I don't think... it's... Apparently there's bad water here. The water of Paris is really bad. Something that I did not know. And no matter what I'm putting in my hair is really bad because I really cheap it. It's just the water, so you should get... If you're coming to Paris for a long time, it's worth getting a water filter. I'm here for like the whole summer. I'm trying to come back. Wait, where's the yellow? Elastic. Uh-oh.